Welcome! In front of me I have TICWATCH Pro S and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the TICWATCH logo on the screen. So press and hold the button and keep holding it. It takes about, I would say, maybe 5 or maybe 10 seconds. Somewhere in between, I would say. Once you see the TICWATCH logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. Okay, as you can see, we're back in the system. And we can skip this. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.